In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to Etsy. By the end, you'll have your Printful account talking directly to your Etsy shop so you can streamline product creation and fulfillment. Before we start, make sure you already have a Printful account and an active Etsy shop and that you know the login details for both. You don't need anything else open, just your web browser. First, open the Printful website. Type the address into your browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll land on the Printful dashboard. This is your home base for products, orders, and integrations. Next, go to the Stores section. You can find it in the main menu. On desktop, it's usually on the left side of the dashboard. Stores is where Printful keeps all your sales channels and connections in one place. So think of it as the control room for integrations. Now, click Choose Platform. This button starts the process of adding a new store to your Printful account. When you click it, you'll see a list of platforms that Printful can connect to. It includes marketplaces and e-commerce platforms, all organized in a simple grid. From that list, click Etsy. The Etsy tile represents Printful's official integration with Etsy. When you select it, Printful will prepare to link your account and will open a secure authorization window. If nothing appears, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups or redirects, and allow them for this site so the window can open properly. Finally, log into your Etsy account. Use the account that owns or manages the shop you want to connect. After entering your credentials, Etsy will show a permission screen explaining what access you're granting to Printful. Things like managing listings and processing orders. Review it, then confirm to continue. This step securely links the two services so they can share the information needed to automate fulfillment. When the connection is successful, you'll be redirected back to Printful and your Etsy shop will appear under Stores. That's your confirmation that everything is linked. If you run into issues, double-check that you're signed into the correct Etsy account, temporarily disable aggressive ad or script blockers, or try a fresh browser session. Also, make sure you have the necessary shop permissions on Etsy. That's it. Open the Printful website, go to Stores, click Choose Platform, select Etsy, and log into your Etsy account to approve the connection. You're now set up to create products in Printful and have them sync to your Etsy shop automatically. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.